All right, I'm doing a 14 Toyota Camry push to start. Add a key. Her key doesn't work unless you touch it to the start button. And we already tried changing the battery. That doesn't work. So next step would be a new key. I think this machine could do it. We're going to find out together. We're going to do keyless. Ignition on. Okay, I can actually turn it on. We're going to do add keyless. Touch this key to the start button. Car beeps once. New key. Start button. Beeps twice. That's done. That quick. Button should work. Why are the buttons not working? Needs a battery. How does it need a battery? Oh, the car's on that side. Okay. Buttons work. I was like, something's off. Something's not right, but I don't know. Cool. Car starts with the key in the hand now. Let's cut the back of the key and we're done. All right, I got the machine turning on. In the meantime, I'll take the door lock out. I've got a key code right off the door lock. All right, lock is out. All right, lock's at 0132. All right, I put the lock back in now. I don't need to keep holding it. Need 0132. We are done. Yours? Look, no Toyota logo. That's aftermarket, and that's why it doesn't work.
No work?
It works, but like you have to touch it. Mine has the Toyota logo, so it works good.
Yeah.
You want to try it? I hold this one. Good, huh? Perfect. Yeah. And I cut the door key also. This one for the door. I cut it if you need.
It's good?
Yeah. All right. No, you had it right. Oh, there you go. She's good.